This tool is designed to place the ceiling elements automatically: lighting fixture, air terminal, sprinkler, fire alarm, and data devices. Select rooms or spaces before running the tool. Run the tool. Define the family name and type. Define the number of rows and columns needed in your design. Define the needed direction X or Y, or define it manually. The tool will modify the offset or elevation of the placed elements put to select the parameter which controls the offset, or write it manually. The tool placed the element and adjusted the offset of the element. The element offset will be set to the top part of MEP space and space intersection with the ceiling. Run the tool again, but select X and 2Z distance. Select other spaces or rooms and change the rotation. Run the tool on the sprinkler, it will place it as shown. Run the tool again to place the sprinklers. Select other spaces or rooms and change the rotation. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.